What's going down? Matt Leone of Smoke Game Strong. We got another episode of the Smoke Show on the road. We're here at Brothertons Black Barbecue right in Fluterville, Texas. John Brotherton's the owner. He also owns Liberty Barbecue. They got Bill Dumas, the sausage maker. He's also affiliated with these guys, and it is going to be great, man. They do some bomb-ass specials all the time, sandwiches, crazy sausages all the time. Today they got a sausage that I'm not even going to tell you yet, but wait till you see it. It's a collaboration with another barbecue spot. I'm excited. I actually never been here before. I've been to Liberty before, but this spot does different sandwiches and all types of stuff. So let's get in here and get a spread. So this is the Italian chopped beef. Flies the bread in straight from Philly. Got a dip. Gotta get that brisket au jus dip. And look at this spread. They do a direct heat pulled pork. We got some turkey ribs. It's like 4 different kinds of sausage by Bill Dumas. Burnt ends. Brisket looks ridiculous and a ton of sides. Look at this stuff. What's going down? We're here at Brotherton's Barbecue with the man himself, John Brotherton. We got a crazy spread today. Tell us what we got here.
All right, man. We'll start with the meat. So we got some direct heat pulled pork that's cooked on our Snows direct heat barbecue pit that Carrie Bexley and his son made for us. We got pork ribs. It's gonna have a kind of a southwestern flavor with a mango serrano glaze. Smoked turkey breast. See what links we've got. Jalapeno cheddar link. I'm gonna skip that one for now. We've got our mild hot link, pork and beef link. We've got a house-made brisket boudin. And then we have a collab special that we're doing right now with Kyle Stallings at Rolling Smoke down in Austin. He does a Carnegie Sada burrito with smoked mac and cheese. And so we kind of just took his recipe and put it into a casing. We got our smoked brisket, some burnt ends. Then we got a collab that we do with Blake Stoker at Blake's Barbecue in Tennessee. That's his Bubba Cole with brisket, turkey, and pimento cheese on top of that.
Wow.
And then also our kind of niche thing is specialty sandwiches. I call it iconic sandwiches with Texas barbecue. That's a Chicago-inspired sandwich after eating lots of Italian beefs on several trips to Chicago.
Super stoked on that one.
Yeah, man, that's a good one. We bring in the Giardinera from Chicago.
Oh man.
So, and then the au jus in Chicago, they call it a gravy. As close as you're gonna get to anything in Chicago, it's really, really authentic.
Awesome.
And we bring in that bun from Amoroso's, which was in Philly, now in New Jersey. And we bring that in specifically for our Philly cheesesteak sandwich, but it pairs really well on that one. Texas banh mi, which is basically all the items you would get in a banh mi, except we use smoked brisket, pickled carrots, jalapeno, fresh cilantro, garlic and roasted red pepper aioli. We put our the same glaze that we put on our ribs. We put on there for a little sweet, fruity, and heat note to it. And we get that baguette from the Baguette House in Austin. So it's just a unique and authentic feel to that sandwich as well. And then some of our sides, we've got a whole bunch of them, but we got a cornbread casserole, house-made pickles. This is a Wasabi Coleslaw that I've had pretty much since I started doing with my barbecue trailer. That one's been with me for about 11 years now. And it's got wasabi, It's got some crunch from ramen noodles. It's got toasted sesame seeds in it, so a nice little pop. And then the wasabi, kicks you in the sinuses a little bit. Fresh garlic parm green beans. Tater tot casserole that I just came up with. I think it's tater tot casserole on steroids. It's got a lot of flavor to it, and then our house mac and cheese. Wow. And that's just some of the sides. Every day we have 10, I think, different sides and 10 or 11 different of these types of sandwiches.
Wow, man, such a great looking spread. I'm super pumped. Man, I wish I didn't live like 15 minutes away, or I would be here like every single day.
Yeah, right on.
But man, I'm glad to finally get up here, man. Good to have
you made it. That's awesome.
Yeah, man, we're super stoked about all of this. Literally, like the brisket ring on that, just from what I can see, and just the color, it just looks so on point. I'm like mouth watering, and I'm like, all right, well, let's
didn't bring myself a plate.
Where do we start? Yeah, where do we? It's like, where do you start?
Brisket. It starts with brisket, right?
Okay.
It starts with that burnt-end piece
I know,
right there,
right?
probably. That's the one that's calling your name, and then go from there.
Oh man, I'm stoked. Cool, man. Well, thanks for having us, man.
Thank y'all for coming.
Yeah, man.
Good to have y'all out here.
Let's dig in.
Yeah.
We're gonna go first bite. We got burnt-ends.
So we didn't have that area over there. It ended at this wall, and it ended at that wall. So that area over there, where you see the change on the floor, we didn't have that. This was it. We had 3 tables in here, 18 seats. This wall wasn't there, so we had 18 seats and a damn bathroom. That was it. So a month in, the lady that was here, she moved down to another suite, and we were able to take over that suite, bust this wall down. So we went from 18 seats to 60. Wow. Once we opened over here. No Dumas?
What's going on?
This is a mess.
It's all shiny and new. Like, you know what?
It's kind of a mess. There you go.
That's funny.
You hold that in.
All right. That is a wrap here at Brothertons Barbecue. Thanks to John for letting us come on out and try all the food under the sun. I mean, actually, we got 5 sides, and you usually have 10 or 11.
Yeah.
Everything. So yeah, the sandwiches were top notch. Brisket, sausage, everything.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate y'all coming out.
And that was Smoke Game Strong, approved for short. Get out here to Fluterville at Brothertons Barbecue or at Round Rock Liberty Barbecue also. Till next time, peace.
I got to do that next door.
Yep.